Yo, we just hit 30,000 followers on our Instagram, so we wanted to do a little giveaway. We're gonna be doing, what else? The UNC Toe Air Jordan 1, and there are only 4 simple steps that we're gonna leave our post right here. You gotta make sure that you like our Instagram post. You gotta make sure that you're following us on Instagram and on YouTube. You're subscribed to our channel. 3, you have to make sure you comment down and like on this video. And lastly, you gotta go to our Instagram, go on that UNC Toe post giveaway, and make sure that you like, comment, 2 friends and your size, and that is it. You have a chance to win one of the 2 pairs that we're gonna be giving away. I just decided we're doing 2 pairs. It's our birthday month, so hope you guys enjoy it. We'll be selecting this giveaway, I believe, the end of next week, which is July 14th. Can't wait, and appreciate you all so much for the support. Let's go. Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. Today we got a special video for y'all. We're gonna be reviewing the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toe. Just wanted to make a video for y'all, just in case you guys decide to buy it either at retail, which by the way, congratulations if you do at a time, or if you buy it for resale. I definitely think this is gonna be a very good shoe for the summertime. I'm predicting it to go up, but we'll go straight into the video just to let y'all know how I feel about this specific sneaker. Let's get it popping and let's go. All right, if it's your first time here on this channel, we like to do a lot of mystery boxes, like to do early reviews. We're getting back in the swing in terms of content that we're filming for you guys. So if you guys like this, please drop a comment down below what your favorite part of the sneaker is, if it's gonna be a cop or a drop, and just drop a subscription or subscribe to our channel. We're literally, I think, like 20,000 away from 100K, which is crazy to say. A lot of it is shorts, of course, but we're still pushing. We're still gonna make these long form content for you guys. So appreciate you guys have tuned in with the journey. We're gonna keep it popping, keep it going. All right, so first and foremost, here is the box, the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toe. Like I said, you have that University blue in the box specifically. Very nice in terms of how they're doing this with a lot of the new shoes, or now the new Air Jordan 1s that are releasing, especially the high tops. I mean, we've seen it with countless amounts of this year and early last year releases. So good to see this in the box drops. You got this right here with the black. With the colorway, it is the Air Jordan 1 University blue, black, white. So we're gonna open this up really quick. I'm gonna show you guys how this shoe looks, and you guys can tell me if this is gonna be a cop or a drop for you. The baby blue on this one, I don't know what it is about any type of like UNC colorway, but a lot of folks love this, and I think that's the reason why I'm going with this shoe is a cop. This will not sit in stores like a lot of the other Air Jordan 1s have been recently sitting, specifically like the highs that have been coming out. This specific shoe, this colorway, I just think it pops. I don't know why, like, it just altogether, families love to wear this with their children, with their wife, just to match, and I think they hit straight onto it. I'm gonna show a couple pairs that have that same colorway. This is usually, like, when it had UNC colorways, we knew that these came with exclusive access, player exclusives, whatever it may be, but they've recently just started utilizing the University blue a lot more in the past couple of years. So I think it's an interesting push from the Jordan brand. Definitely think this shoe is very nice, and to me it's a good one, and I think it's very, very highly anticipated, and I wanted to make this video just to show y'all exactly how nice this shoe is, man. I'm gonna go into the quality of the leather. All right, so going into that mid part of the shoe, the leather here seems very similar to the Mocha High that they did. Not so buttery here like the recent UNC colorways, but when you come to that toe box, yo, this right here is quality. I'm telling you that right now. You come to the back, you have that Jordan brand, Jordan sign, of course. Here, leather's very smooth. Just, I'm gonna say this right now, it really reminds me of the Obsidian Air Jordan 1. You got that blue hit right here, super solid on the tongue, and the quality again on this leather is not the most butter, but it will do, and I definitely think this right here is a good sneaker. A little bit about this release. I think this is a very highly coveted release that a lot of the public has been waiting for. Originally, this was supposed to release on July 8th. I'm seeing now around, I have some people that are inside working at shops, they're saying July 22nd. So just keep an eye out. I believe in the next couple week and a half, there is gonna probably be some exclusive access on sneakers. I'm surprised that these didn't come out a little earlier in terms of early pairs. July 22nd is what a lot of the news that's coming out recently. I think also the black toes are going to be coming out end of July. So July is going to be a good one for Jordan 1 highs and lows. Palominos, I think, are also releasing in September. But yeah, this one right here, July 22nd is what we're going to wait for. I don't think these are going to sit on the shelves, like I said, but overall, I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this going to be a copper drop for you? I think this is a must for, you know, any Jordan connoisseur that loves this specific colorway, UNC. I'm going to pop up some shoes right now that are very similar to it, and you guys let me know which one you guys would rather have in your collection. But from a recent perspective for collectors, this is a good one. I'll tell you that right now. To compare a very similar sneaker in this light, this sort of looks like the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toe, right? If you can look at it. No, this is actually the Obsidian. Then you turn over, this is the UNC Toe. And a lot of similarities, but also enough differences to be like, okay, yeah, that isn't it. I just think any shoe that has that white toe box is very, very good. This one has that UNC toe, of course, but in terms of like the leather, you can tell here they did a much better job in terms of more softer leather on this mid portion, and then here, of course, is a harder part on the UNC. But overall, man, you got that difference in the black and white tongue. I still think that this one is one of the best in terms of the UNC, where they hit just too much of the UNC for me. But if I was to choose, I'd probably go with Obsidian. This one right here, this pair is a good one. This one is like the UNC in the original colorway. It's not the 85 pair, but compared to this, definitely like a lot lighter in terms of it, more of like that North Carolina blue versus this is like the university blue. So this one just quality for sure. I'm going with this one, then I go with the Obsidian, and then UNC Toe. And then I didn't have the other university blue that released, but I did have the Hyper Oil, which this is what it would be if it was like kind of the more washed look that has been releasing lately. But overall, man, I think this is currently what I have with me in terms of my inventory, but very beautiful shoe. The UNC Toe is going to come down to, you know, preference in terms of if you're able to pay for these pairs back there where it's cheaper, or if you can get them now. I think this is going to be something that's going to be worn a lot in the summertime. You're going to see a lot of people probably stock up on these. Right now, it's not really the time for stocking up. So that actually brings you back to like the resale purposes, right? How much do I think these will be worth in the time being? That is a good question. Right now, they're selling for about $275, $280 early market pairs. So of course they're going to dip, but at the same time, the hype is going to rise, especially when you have that early access drop that's going to happen probably on sneakers. I think this is easily going to be what, like a $300 sneaker for sure. It may take a couple months, maybe by Christmas time. And once all these pairs, they get drawn up, they get dried up, and then there's not a lot of DS pairs coming on. I heard this might be like the highest amount of like 600K. We really never know. So 600,000 pairs, I still think this is a great shoe to invest in, especially like right now if you're starting to invest into sneakers. This is not going to be sitting on the shelves as much as we would want to believe so. It's not going to be easy. A lot of people are going to cop this, especially being a UNC. So that's what I wanted to do, y'all. Wanted to give you a breakdown of this specific shoe. Let me know if it's going to be a cop or a drop, if you're trying to get multiples or just going to have one for the collection. I honestly think this is a must for any 23 collector or just anyone that loves the UNC colorway. So again, hope you guys love this review. I'll get some B-rolls in the shot before this video ends. Appreciate you guys so much, and always remember, y'all, stay in stock with OOSKicks. Peace.